What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we'll be looking at a trade I took on NZDUSD on May 18th. So if we look into the past, we can see that we were in a downtrend based off the 1 hour chart. But if we keep looking farther into the past, we can see that we have a huge area of support. We can see how every time price comes into this area, it gets rejected. So when I was looking at the charts, I could see that price was starting to come back into this area of support once again. And my first confirmation telling me that there could be a possible buy was how price reacted when it got close to this area. You can see how we're in a pretty strong downtrend, a pretty big impulse move, and then price starts stalling out. So this tells me that people are either taking profit from their sells or people are getting in the market for a buy because they see this level of support. But this wasn't enough confirmation, even with this support area, to tell me that it was time to buy. You're going to need multiple confirmations and price action telling you that it's time to buy. So once price enters into this area, we actually have two reversal patterns. The first one that we have is an inverted head and shoulders, which we can see right here. The second one that we have is a double bottom, which you can see right here. So I actually combined both of these patterns to get my take profit. So I entered the trade based off of the neckline retest of this double bottom right here, and then I used the inverted head and shoulders to get my take profit. So we can see that the inverted head and shoulders started right here, and then you can see how the neckline retest of this double bottom was right here. So I entered the trade in this area. This is starting to get a little crazy with my drawings, but this is where I entered my trade, and then this is where I exited my trade based off the inverted head and shoulders, netting me in roughly 60 pips. There were a lot of confirmations telling me that it was time to buy, so I just went ahead and trusted my judgment and my gut, going against this market structure telling us that we were in a sell because we had multiple confirmations telling us that this would be a good place for price to reverse and go in a different direction. So if you guys have any questions about anything that I talked about in this video, please go ahead and leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you want to see when I take these trades live, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and check out my stories. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next video.